Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Swiss Army knife, and this one is a Wenger. Okay, now the name is kind of weird. It's the Wenger Pocket Mountain Bike or Extra Small Bike. Now, I looked around online to figure this out because I wanted to make sure I had the right name, and the Swiss Army Knife Wiki lists this as the Pocket Mountain Bike. The box, however, lists it as the Extra Small Bike Knife. So you're going to have to take that with a grain of salt. It's also listed as a Biker 30. So anyway, this one is a discontinued knife. So let's open this up and take a look at it. And let's see. Alright, that's it for that stuff. So let's see. What are the instructions going to tell us about this knife? It's going to tell us that the main tool for the knife is not on here. I still don't think I own a knife with a hook sharpener or a ski wax remover, number 27. Interesting. Lifetime warranty, etc., etc. Alright, so nothing particularly exciting there. Does this have any extra instructions for us? Ooh, maybe it does. Alright. It's always important to, well, if you've seen some of my videos, you probably know that I don't always read the instructions. Okay, so this would be in French? This would still be in French. Well, alright. Good to know. So, it's got a tool that is a chain rivet setter. Yeah, okay. So, instructions are in French, so it doesn't help me at all. The little packaging is interesting. So, we unsnap things and then take a look. Alright, so let's see what we got. So first of all, we have, I can get it out. We have the Wenger combo tool, the bottle opener, can opener, screwdriver, little wire cutter nub thing. So we got that. And you got the normal knife blade. And this is the chain rivet setter. So you unscrew this and do something or other to it. Alright, kind of cool, I guess. I feel like this is one of those things that this part and the next part we're going to look at are the two parts that frequently get lost with this knife as it gets older. Alright, so there's that. And, oh. Okay, so it has to be, that's interesting. That's kind of an interesting aspect of it. So if you twist, let me show y'all. If you twist this all the way down, like too far, it won't close all the way. See, it bumps right there. So what we got to do is we got to twist it out a little bit, like so, and that should, yeah, that's where we want it. We're pretty close, right? Now the second to last thing is we have a Phillips head screwdriver on the back. There are no scale tools. Right, there's no tweezers, toothpick that I see anywhere. And the last tool is this thing right here. And this is a bike wrench. It's got a little screwdriver thing and other things that do bike stuff. Tell you one thing about these. Wenger is the only one that I can think of that has these kind of tools that actually come off completely. And I feel like these are the tools that just get super lost. So this one hooks under here. It's got like a little, make sure I'm hooking in the right way. I think I am. I am not. I'm not. So it hooks the other way. Hooks like so. And then like that. So it's kind of neat, but yeah. So this funny shape, the end with the extra parts is the one, or the extra part missing is the one that hooks under, and then it closes. That's cool. This is definitely an interesting little knife. It is, I don't know. Those of you that do any like serious mountain biking, would this kind of knife be useful? What do you think? There's, I think, 3 models of this. There's the pocket mountain bike, which is this one. And then there's the small mountain bike, which is the 36. And then there's another one that's like the 37. That's a little bigger. It has like pliers. So there's three versions of this knife with this particular tool in it. I don't know. If you do any mountain biking, let me know if this kind of thing would be useful for your biking. I'm curious. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. I've included information on the Swiss Army Knife wiki page about this particular knife. This is discontinued, and I don't think there's any modern Swiss Army knife that has this tool at all. If there is, let me know in the comments. I don't think there is. I don't think Victorinox has. I don't think Victorinox kept a lot of the weirder Wenger choices. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.